Hello, hello, hello. Today, I want to share with you one of my favorite communities here in the master plan community of Avenir, which is L'Ambiance by Coulter. We're going to see some amazing floor plans that I'm sure you will love. One of the questions that I get a whole lot is, Nate, how much house does X amount of dollars buy me? So today, I want to share with you some beautiful floor plans here at L'Ambiance at Avenir to show you what around $1 million can get you here in Palm Beach Gardens. Let's take a look. So now we are here at the Madison, all right? There's another amazing floor plan here in L'Ambiance by Coulter. Let's check it out. So there you have it. Another beautiful home here at L'Ambiance. The Madison is definitely a favorite, and this one has the addition on the upstairs. So that's an available option on all of the floor plans here at L'Ambiance. Something that's unique to Coulter. Those structural upgrades that allow you to actually make any home truly your own. So your neighbors are not walking into your house saying, oh, I have the same floor plan, because they can't, because your floor plan is just as unique as you and your family. All right. As always, if you have any questions or you want to know how you can make this home your home, you can find my contact information below, or you can send me a direct message. Let's talk soon. I want to help you achieve your real estate goals.